new video. Now in this video I'm going to have a new person, Louis. He's my friend.
Hello.
Now today we're going to make
a Nutella mug cake.
What he needs so he can make it is flour, self-raising flour, Nutella, a mug, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of milk or oil. First, we need to take our mugs.
Okay.
Then, we need to take the Nutella and put 3 spoons of Nutella inside the cup.
Bit too much. Don't do too much. I only do 2. This is quite good without the Nutella.
Yeah, it is. Now,
Come on, get in, Nutella.
now I'm going to put this and in it goes.
Get in.
And then the last one.
Get in. I need a fork to get this Nutella off.
Just use your finger.
We're gonna test it. Okay. In Nutella. Oh, great.
It's fine.
That was the worst scoop ever.
Take my fork.
Oh.
Okay, next we
Oh,
need to
great.
get an egg. One for you, Louis. Now we need... You take a new egg. Okay.
Okay, then I'm making a mess.
Now
we have to start mixing very good. Silly me. Don't laugh by style.
You're silly.
You.
Okay. We finished mixing, now we can put the flour. If you're using a small spoon, put 6 spoons. If you're using a big spoon, use 3. I'm using a big spoon. And Louis is using 6 small ones. 1, 2, 3. I've finished. And I can keep on mixing very well.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't make a mess like me, guys.
And keep mixing until it
Becomes
Yes.
brown.
thicker. Now
Okay.
this is how it's supposed to look. Because I've put 3, this is how it's supposed to look. Louis,
Okay.
because he put 2, this is how his is supposed to look. Louis is going to put 2 tablespoons of milk.
Taste it.
And I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to start.
It's too much, Maya.
1, 2. That's kind of 2. 3. And Louis, you put 2. And then keep on mixing.
Oopsie. Where did it go?
Because I put milk in. Whoa.
2. That was kind of a 3 or 4.
Wait. No. Okay.
Oops, sorry. Moved a little there.
Now that I put the milk, it changed its colour a little bit, but it still is a dark brown.
Me is becoming darker for me. A bit darker.
Okay.
Oh, barely darker.
Really? Wow. It's the same colour. My one is lighter.
2, 3.
Now we've mixed it, we need to ask our mums to put it in the microwave 2.5 minutes. Mums! Thank you. Now we took it out from the microwave. This is the difference. With less chocolate, it grew this big. With more chocolate, it grew this big. Now we can decorate it. So we're going to take our Nutella.
We're going to use it once again.
So we have to put some Nutella on top.
No, not too much, guys.
And then you have to spread it out like so. Then we are going to give the Nutella to Louis.
Okay, not too much, guys.
And while she's putting the Nutella, I'm going to put some powdered sugar on top.
Cup something.
Some powdered sugar on top. Use the same, Louis.
Dip. Oops. I dropped it again, just like the flour.
It's fine. Now we can decorate with strawberries.
Let's do it.
And in the end, it will taste delicious.
Delicious. Delicious. No, without the E. This is called for strawberries. Yoo-hoo!
And one last one in the middle. Perfect. Now we've put the strawberries on top. We can take our spoons and taste.
Tasty, tasty, tasty. It's the taste. Come out, please be delicious.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna.
So what are you gonna say?
Very good.
They turned out delicious. Now we're going to swap. It's so hot. And taste each other's.
I hope it's the same.
I hope it's not. So we can have a winner.
How good is it, Maya?
Tasting right now.
Oh.
Can I have a taste again? Because I don't remember the taste of my one.
Vomit that into my voice.
They have the same taste.
We are both winners.
Yay!
Yay!
High five.